Looking for a unique cultural experience? Look no further than Abu Simbel. Located in the heart of Aswan, our historic site features an array of breathtaking ancient Egyptian statues and artifacts that are sure to captivate and inspire. With so much to see outside, you might be tempted to stay put. But trust us, the real magic lies within Abu Simbel's walls. Join us on a journey through time as we explore the rich history and culture of one of the world's oldest civilizations. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to discover the secrets of ancient Egypt. Book your visit to Abu Simbel today and experience the wonder for yourself. Call to action. Book your visit now and experience the magic of Abu Simbel.